How to turn on or turn off autocorrection on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, open keyboard and click on the settings icon. Click on correction and suggestions. You will see autocorrection is here. If you want to turn off autocorrection, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, autocorrection is turned off. If you want to turn on autocorrection, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, autocorrection is turned on. You will turn on or turn off autocorrection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.